What if I told you you could turn any YouTube video, PDF, meeting recording, or article into clean notes, summaries, flashcards, and even quizzes in seconds? In this video, I'm going to show you an AI tool that's quietly becoming one of the best productivity and learning assistants out there. I'll walk you through what it does, how it works, real use cases, and whether it's actually worth using in 2026. Let's get into it. So if you're a student, working professional, content creator, or just someone who wants to learn faster, you are absolutely going to love this tool. Let's get started. In today's video, we are going to look at this AI tool called NoteGPT.
So first, what exactly is NoteGPT? NoteGPT is an AI-powered note-taking and learning tool. Instead of you spending hours watching long videos or reading massive PDFs,
NoteGPT does the heavy lifting for you. You give it content, and NoteGPT converts it into a structured, easy-to-read and understand notes.
Here's what it can do. It can summarize YouTube videos, transcribe audio and meetings, turn PDFs into clean notes, create flashcards and mind maps, and even let you chat with your content. The easiest way to think about it is NoteGPT is like your personal AI study partner that works 24/7.
If you want to try it yourself, I've put the official NoteGPT link in the description below. You can sign up using your Google account, and yes, there is a free plan, so you can test everything before deciding to upgrade.
Now let's jump into the features and see what this tool can actually do. Feature number 1, YouTube Video Summarizer. This is honestly one of the most powerful features. Let's say you have a 30-minute YouTube video, lecture, podcast, tutorial, and you don't have time to watch it fully. You just paste the YouTube link here, and NoteGPT instantly gives you a clean summary, key bullet points, important timestamps, and structured notes. This alone can save hours every week, especially for students, working professionals, content creators. Feature number 2, PDF and document summaries. This feature is perfect if you deal with research papers, ebooks, reports, study materials, or office documents. Instead of reading 50 or 100 pages, you simply upload the PDF. NoteGPT breaks it down into easy-to-read summaries, main ideas, key points, and actionable takeaways. You can quickly understand what the document is about without feeling overwhelmed. No more endless scrolling or highlighting. The tool does all that for you, making your life easy. Feature number 3, audio and meeting transcription. This part is great for professionals and students. You can upload meeting recordings, voice notes, lecture audio, and NoteGPT converts it into text and summarizes it and highlights key takeaways. Perfect for meetings you missed or lectures you want to review fast. So even if you missed a meeting or lecture, you can catch up in minutes. This is great if you attend a lot of online meetings or classes. Feature number 4, flashcards, mind maps, and quizzes. Now this is where NoteGPT really stands out. From your notes, it can automatically create flashcards, mind maps, practice questions, and quizzes. This is extremely helpful for exam preparation, skill learning, and long-term memory retention. Instead of just reading notes, you're actively learning. For students especially, this feature alone can make studying much easier. Feature number 5, chat with your notes. One of my personal favorite features is chatting with your notes. You can literally ask questions like, explain this in simple terms, give me an example, summarize this in one paragraph. What is the main idea here? It feels like talking to a tutor who already knows your study material. This makes learning feel much more interactive and less boring. Pricing and who should use it. NoteGPT has a free version, which is great for casual use. If you're a student, content creator, researcher, professional, or lifelong learner, the paid plan makes sense because of the time you save. Final verdict. So is NoteGPT worth it? If you watch a lot of YouTube for education or entertainment, read PDFs or study materials, attend meetings or lectures, want faster learning with less effort, then yes, NoteGPT is absolutely worth trying. Check the NoteGPT link in the description, try the free version, and see how it fits your workflow. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more AI tools tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hope you give NoteGPT a try. Link is in the description, and let me know your feedback in comments below.